In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view, edit, or cancel your orders using the Selfwealth platform. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Selfwealth dashboard. In the left panel, under Trade, click on My Orders. Here you can see your recent orders, which show all orders from the last 30 days. The coloured dots to the left indicate the status of the order. Green indicates orders filled or completed, and the green outline indicates those that are currently in the market. Red indicates an order that is expired, cancelled, or rejected. Orders that are in market or not submitted can be cancelled or edited at any time. You will not be charged a brokerage fee for a cancelled order unless your order is partially filled, meaning that some shares have already been purchased. You can tell if an order is partially filled by looking at the status column. To edit or cancel an order, first click the order that you wish to modify or cancel. From here, you can either click Cancel Order or Edit Order to modify the order. If you selected Edit Order, you will now be able to modify the quantity, price per unit, and expiry type fields. If the order is partially filled, then any changes you will make will be applied to the unfilled portion of the order. There is no extra cost to edit your order. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save and Resubmit Order. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to cancel and edit orders on the Selfwealth platform. Selfwealth, grow you good thing.